In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Linkvertise 1 hour wait. So if you have this kind of problem with Linkvertise, it has gained popularity as a tool for monetizing links and earning income online. Another concern with Linkvertise is the lack of control over the displayed advertisement. Now, the solution number one is clearing browser cache and cookies. One common solution to fix this problem is to clear your browser, and over time, this might fix the problem. Solution 2 is updating the browser and extensions, so this might also fix the problem. And solution number 3 is checking internet connection stability. This is to ensure that your internet connection is stable while using Linkvertise. So another measure to take is disabling ad blockers and VPNs. If you have an ad blocker installed on your browser, it might be worth disabling it temporarily to see if that resolves the issue. Now, step number 5 is contacting Linkvertise support for assistance. This is the best way to resolve any issues with Linkvertise. You can reach out directly to their support team, and sometimes the problem may be specific to your account. So this was an easy and quick process video. I hope this video was helpful. As always, thank you for watching.